decided to clean out my closet and get rid of all my thrifted clothes that I have stacked up for years. Some I feel like I've just really grown out of. Yeah, I'm gonna be selling all my clothes on Depop. I have a Depop account, but I haven't been active on it at all. And I was like, might as well get to it, right? I was already gonna do this. Why don't I film it? So here I am filming it. I already set up everything. This is so that there's no shadows, because that's always been a thing for me. I just hate the shadows. This is a heavy duty light. There's a bunch. It's like so many cords. Let me show you guys. You just put the power on. I have it at 100, which you probably shouldn't have it at 100. So I decided that I'm gonna put my phone camera. I'm just gonna use my phone because actual camera that I'm using right now is really bad with focus, as you guys can probably already tell. So I'm just not gonna worry about it. And I'm putting it on my tripod. A little like vibe on the side. This is not supposed to come out, but I'm sure a little bit is, but I don't really care. I got this from a magazine, and then I got this frame from the dollar store, and I just put it in there, and yeah, it makes it look cute. And this I've had forever, and it's actually like chipped and everything, so ill, but I don't think you will tell. And I got this dead flower that I've had up there. My dad got me flowers. Oh my god. Dad recently got me flowers, so I saved one and I've had it up there. So I was like, you know, this will be like aesthetic and cute, so I just put it there. And this is a stool that belongs in the kitchen, but I just stole it. So I gotta clean out, figure out what I'm gonna sell, what I'm gonna keep. Mostly I'm gonna sell everything. I'm really in a savage mode. I don't really care. I just want to get rid of my stuff. So I'm going hard. I'm not even gonna think about it. I put my tops here, and then I put my jeans here, and my shorts on this side, but this was like already like here, and I've already got some stuff that I already put over there. So I went through the jeans. All these I'm keeping. These are actually on Depop, so go check that out already. Yeah, so these are all the shorts I'm left with. This was high too. We got that down. And I've already gotten rid of some tops, as you guys can see. I still haven't finished, so let's continue. This I got in my last video. Go check out my 2 thrift trips in 1 video. To be honest, it was a little big on me. My Princess Polly dupes thrifting video. Go check out that one too. Okay, so I'm gonna fix my hair, just straighten it a little bit because it's a little wrinkled, and then I'm gonna do my makeup because I know my face isn't gonna be in the Depop pictures, but I'm gonna take a picture for Instagram while I'm there. When I put on makeup, it just makes me feel better and more like, let's get this done. So yeah, I'm just gonna do that. My aunt is screaming. She's on the phone with her friend. She when she talks, she yells, so that's what's going on in the background. But I am gonna take the pictures. I did my makeup, straightened my hair. It's gonna take a while. I know this from experience. It's gonna take a while. I don't even know how many items I have. Probably like 30. I have my phone set up here. I should buy those self timers, so like you just have it in the picture and you take the picture with the clicker, but I don't have one, so I'm gonna have to be going back and forth. Put the self timer on the iPhone. I'm gonna put on some music so I can get in the headspace, and I made coffee because I was falling asleep and I need the energy right now. So I'm gonna do that, and I guess I'll just fast forward the clips. Oh, what the? It's so funny how I pose my face when I'm not even doing my face. I'm literally about to fall asleep. So I ended up having dinner and I ate a whole medium pizza by myself. A little reminder that last night I had a whole large pizza and I ate it all by myself. That wasn't good. I've only done like 10 items. I'm wearing this skirt that I have to iron, and I'm kind of just procrastinating and debating if I should just finish tomorrow because my bedtime is it's already my bedtime. Like, I'm already supposed to be in bed, laying down, like closing my eyes, going to sleep. And I go to sleep early. I'm like an old person, and then I wake up early. What time is it? It's about to be 10. And I still have all these got to finish.
Explain something.
This is insane. Hey guys, so it is the next day. Obviously I stayed up till like 2:30 in the morning doing the pictures, so I kind of woke up a little late today. I didn't want to. I hate missing the mornings. I woke up like at 9. I got dressed right away, put on a cool outfit. So I realized that I need a scale to weigh the items because that's what you need to do for the shipping and everything. So I came to Walmart gonna find like a food scale. That's what I used before. Then I'm gonna try and attempt to take pictures of my outfit. I kind of want my truck to come out in the picture. I brought my tripod and I'm gonna attempt to take a picture by myself. Okay guys, so I just got a food scale. Now I'm gonna go to an area that I like to take my pictures. So hopefully it's not awkward doing pictures in public, but if it is awkward, then I want it to be awkward because then I'll get used to being awkward and eventually I just won't care. Does that make sense? That girl's wearing a bucket hat and it's the cutest thing ever. I love that. Okay, so we're here in the spot. This is not the original spot I was looking for. I was going for like a white wall, which the white wall that I always use, for some reason there's someone like cleaning someone's car there, like in the corner in the back, like all sketchy. So I just left. Guys, this is probably the most awkwardest thing I've ever done in my entire life. Okay, so I parked in this parking lot. It's like a new subdivision. They have a Hard Knocks right here, and I guess this is the time people come to work out because all of a sudden this parking lot got freaking so many people and they keep passing me as I'm taking pictures. But like my tripod is just awkwardly outside in there. See, there's a car coming. Are they literally gonna park right next to me? So I'm literally taking the pictures right here with my tripod all out. The most awkward one was that black truck when it just pulled up, pointing towards me, and I'm just like, and he was probably just like, but like at the end, you know, it's awkward, but it's good to get those awkward situations because it makes you grow mentally, you know? Like I'm there, I'm just like, okay, I've no one to take pictures of me, and that's okay. You know, you gotta do what you gotta do. I don't need nobody to take pictures for me. I'll take them myself. Just face it, that was just awkward. Now I'm gonna measure all the clothes, measurements, weigh it, figure out how much shipping is gonna be. I'm gonna write it down in my journal so that way I can always have to look back when I post it. And I'm also going to be looking through my pictures and picking out the ones I'm actually going to post because I took a lot of fails, crop them, whatever I have to do. And yeah, so I'm just preparing for the actual posting and all the information I need. So that's what I'm doing. Hey guys, so it's the next day. I got my pictures up last night and I'm so excited to say I made 5 sales in one night. So I was super happy about that. I was like, I really wanted to at least get 1 sale yesterday. So when I got 5, I was like, yes. Feel accomplished, all that hard work paid off. But now I'm like ready to continue. I'm thinking about going to the thrift store again today to just put more stuff because consistency is like the main key to like anything. But yeah, so I have packages already that I need to ship out, so I'm gonna print out the labels and I guess I'll talk you through it. I am shipping through PayPal, not through Depop, because you have an option to ship with Depop or do your own shipping. The reason I'm doing my own shipping is because it's cheaper for the customer. Depop is kind of expensive. Packaging is like my favorite part, and I have like little goodie bags that I've made in the past that I still have, so I'm just gonna use those. And yeah, I think they're in this one. Yeah, all these scrunchies. I'd had these for my Instagram when I was selling, but I wonder if I can still use it for Depop. I think I'm just gonna print out new ones. Yeah, I'm just gonna take this whole thing and take it over there. Okay, so first we should get the clothes. That would be a smart idea to do. Yep. Okay, these are all the items. Well, right now I'm on PayPal and I'm doing create shipping label. The first thing that I'm doing right now, it is the cargo shorts, the Levi cargo shorts, which are these. I'm doing poly bags. I like to wrap it in ribbon just for like a cute little thing. So I'll fold these up.